Whether you are a beginner, advanced graphic designer, photographer, or even digital artist, this course is designed for you guys. And this course is taking you from scratch all the way to a very advanced pro level of Photoshop. As this course is covering all Photoshop's spectrums in detail, like different selection and masking techniques, and how to work like a professional in a non-destructive way, retouching images and photo manipulation, create stunning beautiful images, or even sarcastic ones, handling typography and create trending visual styles based on design theories. We will be designing real-world creative and artistic commercial ads for big brands like Nike, or even if you are an Adidas fan, this course got you covered. And so much more, like digital painting essentials, 3D design, or even video editing in Photoshop. And yes, you heard me right, video editing in Photoshop. This course is jam-packed with artwork, project files, and inspiring assets to help you build your own portfolio or even create stunning artwork. You will get to learn Photoshop's best practices from day one. You will practice your skills by doing fun real-world exercises, upload them to our exclusive courses Facebook group, and getting personalized detailed feedback from ourselves. And if you have any questions about lessons or Photoshop in general, help is just a click away. And the best part, you will not be alone. You go on this creative journey with a group of like-minded students from all over the world, inspiring and encouraging you along the way.
Hi there, my name is Khalil Ibrahim, I'm Chief Designer and WordPress expert, and also I've been working with many international advertising agencies. I've been traveling around the world learning about different design schools, trends and art directions, and I will be your instructor for this course.
So that's it, enroll now and let's master Photoshop together.